Hickling Priory was an Augustinian priory located in Norfolk, England. The house was founded in 1185 by Theobald, grandson of Peter de Valognes, who arrived with William the Conqueror. By 1291 the priory had possession of 32 Norfolk parishes and held an annual 3-day fair. The plague killed all but 2 of its brethren, and the house never fully recovered, being cited repeatedly thereafter by episcopal authorities for deteriorated buildings and lax observance by the canons. The Proiry was surrendered to the Crown on June 4, 1534. The Valor of 1535 gave its value as £100, with their most valuable possession being the nearby manor of Hickling. Today, ruined portions of the church and claustral buildings survive on the privately owned Priory Farm in Hickling. See also: List of monastic houses in Norfolk. List of monastic houses in England. Entertainments at Hickling Priory, Norfolk, 1510 to 1520.